And what do you think we're going to make today?
Bake. First touch bake. 3, 2, 5.
We are baking. Can you guess? We have all the ingredients. Cookies! Who can guess what kind of cookies? Chocolate chip cookies. Here's the chocolate chips. Baking soda, vanilla. Let's get baking. Flour.
We need 3 of these.
1, 2, 3.
My hands are now floured.
But since they're dry ingredients, I have to dry my hands. Now it's 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder.
Who can find the 1/2 teaspoon? They're all teaspoons.
Get it going.
Whoa. That's funny.
Three-fourths cups of butter is next. We already have 1/4. 1/2 cup of sugar. Is this enough?
Nope, not barely enough. We need a little more. Spills. Spills everywhere.
Well, let's dump that in.
Whoa, that's a lot of sugar.
1/4 cup of sugar.
More sugar. Can't believe it's so sugary.
Well, 1 egg.
Is this enough crack? Don't explode, egg. Yep, can't get that in. Oopsie. 1 egg and we throw away the shell. Yuck. Yucky, yucky, yucky.
Time to wash my hands.
Here we go.
Vanilla! Welcome! 1 teaspoon.
I'm afraid of pouring this, so... Okay, we're going to use an electronic mixer.
Always put the beaters in first before you plug it in. I got it.
Ready, set, go. Just smash it into the flour just a bit. Is this good? Now how are we gonna get the mix off the beaters? We can get all this off like peanut butter.
We didn't have any semi-sweet chocolate, so we're using dark chocolate. So I'm gonna grab this bowl here.
Just Just throw that chocolate chip in. This is gonna be chocolatey and yummy. It's gonna be melty and cookie, gooey and ooby. The baking secrets is great. I'll show you all the baking secrets I can. Time to start cooking them. We're gonna cook them soon. Yummy yum. This will be great. Done. What's the pizza temperature? The oven is preheated, so in goes the cookie. I swear. It's important to always clean your mess up after you're done. It smells really good. Take a second batch out. We're gonna let them cool for a few minutes. Okay. These look great. Here's one for you.